Okay, so we have another example. We want to solve for the letter x to the power of d. We want to solve for actually the variable d. What is its value? Well, again, let's use some common sense here. Let's follow the clues. You notice how this doesn't have any roots? Well, this one has a root. So the first thing you should do is let's get rid of the root. In a previous video, we said how we can change the root into an exponent. We could actually say x to the power of 1 over 7. That's the same thing as saying the root of 7. So let's rewrite everything. There it is. Now, we got rid of the roots. Perfect. Neither side has roots. Great. But here's the thing. This side has a fraction. This side does not have a fraction. How do you get rid of a fraction? Very simple. If you don't remember, exponents, or the whole thing with exponents, can be moved around. You can actually move this whole thing up, but you need to remember, if we move it, we used to remove exponents if they were, let's say, if this was a 5 to the negative 1 power, we could move it down to make it 1 over 5x. In other words, that 5 to the 1, now it's positive. But now we're actually technically doing the opposite, because right now it's positive, and if we were to move it up, then technically it will be x to the power of negative 1 over 7. And that equals x to the power of d. So because we moved it up, I mean, there's no need to write over 1 anymore, because anything to the over 1 is just the same thing. And now that we got rid of the fraction, now that we got rid of the roots, it's very simple to attest that the letter d stands for negative 1, 7. Because both sides are technically the same. So d is equal to negative 1 over 7. Make sure to look at all the notes and other videos if this did not make sense, or come to tutoring, and I'll gladly help you even further.